Okay, so are we going?
Yeah.
Okay, so while this loads, I will just say what this is. This is very simple. This is not finished. This is really only one effect that I thought I would...
not really a game.
Not really a game. So I'm going to start with this wave walk. This is the actual thing that shows it. And what it is going to do is it's going to... Oh, okay, we got a little bit of a hint of what it was going to do. But it's going to load in a background image and then animation. The animation is basically just an example program from the graphics magician. So the interesting thing here is the background, and you might actually already be able to see it. It takes a little while to look at it, but it should be waving in a really weird way. So what I was trying to do was use your brain as an auxiliary graphics processor to do graphics that like the Apple wouldn't normally be able to do. And so what I wanted to make some sort of like nautical theme where this waved around a bit. But if you're not seeing the waves, then this makes no sense. But if you're seeing the waves, which I do if I focus on it and get close enough to it, then...
I think I probably have to be at the right distance and angle.
Yeah. Okay. But anyway, so that's all there is. There's no points. The little guy can just run off the screen.
Just run the guy around.
Goodbye, little guy. But anyway, so that's about it.
This was done with the graphics magician?
The graphics magician made the little guy move. Let's see. So now imagine an entire game. There's one other piece here which I can, I'll put this somewhere since this isn't going to win anything. But the Make Waves program is the one that I used to make the background. Oh, actually, let me say one more thing here by getting out of full screen. The inspiration for this was this thing that I found on the web.
Oh, yeah, I see what you did.
So what I was trying to do was replicate this horrible thing on the Apple II. And the high-res version is quite dramatic. But so what I did on the Apple II was basically just I figured out basically what is causing that, like what the pattern is like, and then so it's basically draws 3 offset circles, and the offsets shift around a bit. Actually, I'm going to. This is not something you want to do in 1 megahertz. But so that it does that, and it saves it, and that was the background. So this is really what I spent all the time on.
Right.
Obviously. So anyway, it's a cool effect. Since I did it now, I can't actually use it for next year's HackFest because that would have been work done ahead of time. So it's now spent, and maybe I'll do something with it later.
If you publish it, then you can base something on it next year, because then other people will have had the chance to base theirs on it.
Right. That's true. Okay. Anyway, that's it.